Good day to each and everyone. I am Isdi Mahadab Samporna, and today I'm going to discuss the Republic Act 9163, which is the National Service Training Program or NSTP. So, familiar kita sa NSTP guys, kaya naaman tayo mga natay subject ani, natay subject ng NSTP dili gini mo ala gyud. Sa college gibutang na nila ang NSTP nga subject. So, the vision of uh, NSTP. The NSTP envisions building up valuable and effective members of citizen armed forces and national service reserve corps who may serve as agents towards attaining quality of life, sustaining peace, unity, cooperation, and growth that of target community. So, ang NSTP ay gina-envision nila nga ang katawhan, the people of the Philippines, especially the adult one or the students one, kay kuan sila kanang ma-adapt nila ang behavior nga kuan kanang kuan ma-adapt nila ang behavior nga maka kuan sila peace, makig-unity sila, og especially para ma-train pod sila sa basic military trainings pod nga para in case natay national citizen armed forces and national service reserve. So next, mission. The NSTP is a dynamic service that provides capability enhancement for civil welfare geared towards encouraging youth in improving their skills, knowledge, and attitudes on various endeavors, developing their interest in community service and responsiveness in attaining peace towards nation building. So ang mission nila kay kanang para ma-develop sa katauhan ang pa inter para magka-interesado sila sa community service bitaw kanang like cleanliness sa every barangay, manlimpyo sa uban-uban sa manlimpyo og para sa health sa mga kabataan una nato og para mahimo sila responsable in attaining peace towards nation building. So let us define NSTP or National Service Training Program. So National Service Training Program is a program aimed at enhancing civic consciousness and defense preparedness in the youth by developing the ethics of service and patriotism while undergoing training in any of its three program components. In its various components are specially designed to enhance the youth active contribution to general welfare. So, ang NSTP day guys kay more isa siyang ang program siya nga naga-aim para ma-enhance sa youth or sa mga kabatanunan or sa mga estudyante nga ma-prepared sila sa in any case like in any case of developing the ethics of service para mag-undergo na sila training guys. So mag-undergo na sila training para ma-develop nila ilang mga skills. So para maka-contribute pud sila sa welfare. So what are the three types of NSTP? First is the Reserve Officers Training Corps, which is the ROTC. Number 2 is the Literacy Training Service or LTC. Number 3 is Civic Welfare Training Service, which is CWTC. So first is Reserve Officer Training Corps or ROTC. It is a program institutionalized under Section 38 and 39 of Republic Act number 7077 designed to provide military training to tertiary level students in order to motivate, train, organize, and mobile them for national defense preparedness. So, niagi na pa ni guys, niagi na tani kinikin, niagi na tag ROTC kay nag-RO man ta first year napaganit as kampintoy which ang ginabuhat sa mga sundalo sa mga officer kay ginatrain ta nila dili lang sa atong physical but mentally o kana po ginabag-o nila atong behavior nga ginatangtang nila bitaw atong kanang kanang himuon na to himuon ta nila military behavior ba kuhaon nila atong mga toxic mindset dili himuon ta nila kuan kanang kugihan di sila ganahan nga tapulan ta o ginatudloan pud ta nila basic nga mga kanang how to handle a firearm o basic trainings pod. So, number two is literacy training service, which is the LTS. LTS is a program designed to train students to become teachers of literacy and numeracy skills to children out of school youth and other segments of society in need of their service. So nindot yan siya guys kay training service bitaw ni siya pag makasulod gani kay na kuan mahimo kag teacher sa mga kabatan-unan nga wala bitaw kuan walang kaalaman sa edukasyon, pwede nimo sila tudloan. Nindot kini siya guys kay ah kanang ma-share nimo imong skill sa mga bata nga walay hanaw guys. So next is, which is the last one, the Civic Welfare Training Service, which is the CWTC. It refers to program or activities contributory to general welfare and the betterment of life for the members of the community or the enhancement of its facilities, especially those devoted to improving health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and moral citizenry. So, kani nga kuan guys kay training service ni siya guys nga murag para sa community bitaw, para sa komunidad kanang kanang ikuan nimo sa tawag ni kanang devoted ka para makatuon bitaw ka nga ma-improve imong skills sa kuan para makakuha bitaw kag hanaw og kanang mo contribute pud ka nang para sa health, like sa health kanang maglimpyo ta para mawala ang mga bacterias o para atong mga kabatan-unan pag magdula-dula sila diha sa gawas kay safe sila, safe sila. O kuan sad la like education sad, so mura ra ni siya LTC ba nga kanang training po siya para maka-gain kag knowledge para ma-share nimo sa uban. So that's all guys. So that's about Republic Act 9163. Oh, thank you guys. If you have any if you have any questions guys kay i-PM lang ko ninyo sa akong guys, messenger guys ug namo kong tana guys. So that's all and thank you.